Hi folks, thanks for tuning in to my channel. In this series of videos, what I want to show is how I'm going about with my lawn care. So what I've noticed in my lawn is it's got really bad grass. It's got a lot of patches, a lot of weeds, and it was really poor quality, right? So what I wanted to do was to revitalize the lawn. So I used my local landscaper who basically recommended a lawn renovation. So he charged me about $800 to have a lawn renovation done. So he did the dethatching, and then what he said was he was going to apply grass seeds and then treatments. But I noticed it after a couple of months, the results were fairly disappointing. The lawn was full of weeds, no grass whatsoever based on his application, and I was really not satisfied with the quality of the outcome for the money that I spent. So what I decided then was maybe I should try this a DIY, just like what I've been doing with the other projects in my home. So I started looking up a couple of YouTube videos and started researching a little bit more. So this is more of an experiment at this time. I'm going to try to see if I can revitalize the lawn by myself. So the next series of videos, I'm going to show what exactly I'm doing step by step. So stay tuned and keep watching. So I'll just briefly show you the quality of the lawn before I start it in conclusion. Thank you so much for watching. So I want to walk you through the results of a supposed lawn renovation that I did, hiring someone and paying him $720 to do the detaching, overseeding, and then applying chemicals. What I was told was that all the weeds would go out and then I would basically have a good lawn. So basically, as you're seeing here, I'm very, very disappointed with the results. What I'm really seeing here after that was completed, the lawn is fully infested with weeds. The lawn renovation did not help at all. If you look at it here closely, these are, I believe, crabgrass weeds that you're seeing here. Most of the lawn is infected with crabgrass weeds. You're looking at it throughout this picture. I'm just doing some close-up shots here. And there's some clover as well. You're seeing a lot of these areas are basically dead. So I don't want to waste any additional money on this stuff because it's basically throwing good money after bad. So I was looking up online on the YouTube videos, and one of the videos by Silver Symbol came up where he recommended that you could use tenacity with a combination of other things, surfactant and a dye, to basically get professional results in your lawn. So I'm going to give that a try and see how it works, right? I'm going to experiment that and see if I can get a better result just by DIY instead of hiring someone out to do this, and still ended up having spent the money but got no results.